Alright, so in this video, I'll show you how to create a Rockstar Games account in 2026. If you want to play games like GTA Online or use Rockstar services, this is the first thing you need. Yeah, so let's go step by step. First, open your browser and go to the official website of Rockstar Games. Make sure you're on the official site so your account stays safe. Now on the home page, look for the sign in option at the top right corner and click on it. After that, you'll see an option to create a new account. Click on Join or Create Account to start the registration process. Next, enter your email address. Make sure it's active because you'll need to verify it later. Then create a strong password that you can remember, but others can't guess easily. Now fill in your basic details like date of birth and display name. Your display name is what other players will see in games, so choose it carefully. After that, accept the terms and conditions and continue to the next step. Rockstar will now send a verification email to your inbox. Go to your email, open the message, and click the verification link to activate your account. Once verified, your Rockstar Games account is ready to use. You can now sign in and access games, social features, and online services. And that's it. Your account is fully created and ready to go. If this video helped you,